Okay, good morning and welcome to Beijing on this extremely sunny Sunday morning. It's like 33 degrees outside, but I just needed to go back to this place I passed by yesterday that had this fantastic beef, I think ribs and some pork. I just gotta try this. I had to walk back here and see if they still have it, and it looks like they have it, so I gotta try that one. Yeah, 一斤 okay, 一斤 okay, 一个小的 nice. Gonna try a small one. That's looking nice. 你好，看起来很好吃。对，有一个小的。好 nice. That's looking fantastic. 这个一个小的多少克？
可以切，也是1斤多。
Nice. Now it's gonna cut up the ribs. That is looking crazy good. Wow. That is looking fantastic. 谢谢. Let's try it out. Bye bye. So much amazing stuff here. Also some nice sausages, and also we have the crayfish. Maybe I'll try next time. Okay, so it's very windy, but we got the food here. It's almost like 1 kilo, I think. Each in is like 500 grams times 2, so we're gonna have a lot of meat. Of course, it's bones and stuff, but gonna find somewhere to sit down and enjoy it. Wow, now this is gonna be completely insane. We got the meat here, and my hair is crazy. Let me just take a look at this meat here. This piece of, I think, beef rib, and then we have this other one here. Okay, so let's get this meat overload started. We're gonna start with this knuckle here. So juicy. Wow, I think it's like marinated or something. Not sure. Take a look here. That is crazy. Okay, one more bite. Okay, I'm warning you, it's gonna get messy once again. Ooh, so rewarding and like salty. Wow. Let's take a look at this here. Ooh, crazy good. I'm having. Okay, let's try this crazy fatty beef rib cut here. I mean, does it get better than this? I'm not sure. Let's try it out. Wow, that fat, take a look at them. Definitely not the healthiest, but it's okay. Only an apple this morning, and I'm gonna go for a long bike ride after this. Gotta fuel those muscles this way for the gym later. Definitely next level. I can tell you this much, it's not the last time I'm gonna go and try this one. This was insane. They said like 1 斤, which is like 500 grams each, so 1 kilo, but then you have the bones and everything, so I'm not sure, but this is, I don't know, 500-600 grams, I guess, so we'll see. But I think I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this insanely nice meal. Just, you know, do some cardio, leave it quick here today. Let me know if you want to see more weird stuff on trying street food, but this was crazy nice, I can tell you that. So if you want to see more messy food exploration like this, let me know. If that's the case, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.